What's going on this morning, family? Black Feniks checking in with you, man. I'm outside enjoying the weather. It feels great out here right now. Drinking some coffee, getting my thoughts together. About to start the day off, and I was just thinking, you know, a lot of people procrastinate on their dreams, on their visions, on their business ideas, and it tends to allow them to get either angry or a little bitter or jealous when they see someone who's actually chasing and pursuing their dreams, their goals, their visions. And I just want to say, stay focused on what you want to do in your life. You know, if you say it, if you speak it, do it. You know, if you really got the desire to get yourself off the ground, your business, whatever you're trying to do, your product, your service, make some steps towards it. I mean, actions always speak louder than words. That's what I say. And I mean that on every level, you know. Someone would say, man, I got to come up with the finances first. Okay. And you're right, because I've been there too. Then I figure out a way to come up with the finances. And then I jump back into my goal. I mean, that's what we got to do out here, because if you wait too long, your time might expire. You know, no one is promised a X amount of days, X amount of years. You know, we here until God call us home, or until someone do something reckless or an accident happen. So we have to keep that also in mind. And, you know, by no means is this journey going to be easy, but you can achieve it, you know. Just stay focused on your goal, man. Do whatever it takes. And instead of getting bitter or jealous or mad at someone else's grind, use that grind to motivate you. Use that grind and what they're doing and how they staying focused. Take something out of it. You know, take what applies to you to help you be stronger, to get you to that next level. You know, instead of getting mad or angry or bitter or having something negative to say about how they did it or how you would have did it. You didn't do it. They did it. They might messed up, but they still did it. And they still working on it, you know. So, you know, man, people can be a trip, man, when they, you know, getting their feelings. All I would say is, man, stay focused on your goal. I'm going to stay focused on mine, and I'm going to show you by actions how I'm going to get my hog on.